Hi my peeps, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. And guys, I'm gonna show you the quickest way how Jamaican people make them sorrel. Easy 1-2 thing. Okay guys, so I have my sorrel right here. It was dry already, so I washed it, and then to get all the ginger flavor in it, I blend my ginger, blend it out so I can get everything in it. And I'm gonna add about half of this with the water and all, right? All of it, guys, all of it, because after I'm gonna strain it. And then you wanna go and take your hot water and you're gonna pour it over it. Just like that. And if you want more hot water at a later date, you can put it in it. I'm just gonna mix this down in it, and you want the hot water to be boiling hot, guys. So my peeps, this is where I'm at. After I soak it for a little bit, then I go ahead and I boil it so I can get that rich wine red color and flavor from it. Now I think this is ready, so I'm gonna turn the stove off, and I'm gonna add, I have some cinnamon stick. I'm gonna just add 2 to it, just like that, and I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna leave it to cool, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna add to it. So this is it. I drain the sorrel water off and just leave like the trash right there. And this is how it's looking so far. Now I'm gonna add my touch to it, my little kick to make you go ooms ooms. This is really good. You can get drunk if you want, or you can just leave out the alcohol. But because it's Christmas season, it's time for Thanksgiving and celebration. So guys, now I have my Jamaican red label wine here, everything Jamaican, and my Ray & Nephew overproof white rum. And the next thing I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar. Now this is my red label wine. You can measure if you want, but just I'm gonna pour some. You can pour maybe 1/4 cup or 1/2 cup. I think that will do. If you want more, you can add more. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon overproof white rum, or 1 cup. Oopsie, oh dear, we're drunk. Now we're gonna be drunk. The final part, I have my brown sugar right here, and I'm just gonna add about 1 cup, or you can use less or more. I think that will do. And I'm gonna just pour it on in this one. Oh guys, it smells so good. If you want to get drunk, come on over for Christmas. So guys, look at it. Real Jamaican sorrel. We always make a sorrel at Christmas time. So guys, I'm gonna serve some up, and then I'm gonna come right back. One of Jamaican favorite drinks, some sorrel. Yes guys, this is it. Good Jamaican sorrel. Yes. And now I'm just gonna pour some in my glass right here. Just a little bit more. There you have it. And guys, this is the final result. How to make Jamaican Christmas sorrel. Good sorrel. Refreshing and nice. You can put whatever you want to it. You can make it with or without alcohol. Depends on how you like it. You can put a lot of sugar and you can put a little bit. And there I add some good Jamaican red label wine, and I add some overproof white rum, and you know you have to put the good ginger in it. And then you have a big container here. You can store it in the fridge, or you can just store it in a cool place, because the rum and the wine in it, it's gonna cure it for a long time. But I'm just gonna keep mine in the fridge, and this is the final result. One love, guys, and be blessed. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Mwah, mwah. Put God first. Bye, guys.